Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you get paid into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application. And after opening the Facebook, simply click into these three bars into the top right side. And from there, go to settings by clicking to this gear icon. Step 2. Go to Meta Account Center. Now after coming to settings, you can see this Meta Account Center into top of your settings and privacy. Simply click into that in order to go there. Step 3. Go to Meta Pay. Now after coming to Account Center, you just simply have to click into this Meta Pay below Add Preferences option. Simply click into that and it will lead you to this new tab of Facebook. Then you can see this payment method option just below the settings. Just click into that and this new tab will appear. From here you can add payment methods. Simply click into this add payment method and choose suitable payment method for you. You can use PayPal and credit or debit card. Just simply choose the option which is suitable for you, and after clicking the suitable option, simply fill up your card details into here. Then after entering all the card details and clicking to the save button into the top right corner, you can get paid from Facebook into that credit card. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.